Hey you all, this is Simran and welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how I create this beautiful makeup for summer season, and I hope this video will definitely help you in some other way. So without any further ado, if you want to see how I achieve this look, then please keep on watching. I just washed my face using my normal cleanser. You can use any cleanser that you use. So then we will apply a moisturizer. Before that I like to tone my skin. So for that I will use that रोज वाटर टोनर बाय द गुड वाइब्स, एंड इसके अंदर मैंने उसको निकाल लिया था, तो मैं यही स्प्रे करूंगी अपने स्किन पे. सो जस्ट गोना स्प्रे दैट. Guys, even if this is summer, we need to prep our skin thoroughly because in summer season we also need some hydration. We basically need more hydration in summer season. That's why we need to prep our skin before doing any sort of makeup. So for that, first I'll apply a moisturizer because moisturizer is must in any and every season. You need to apply moisturizer. ये ना लोग का गलत होता है, like वो सोचते हैं कि हम summer season में moisturizer नहीं apply करना चाहिए क्योंकि हमारा skin oily इतना होता है कि हम moisturizer लगाने से ज़्यादा oily हो जाता है. Guys, this is a myth. ये सच नहीं है. आपको definitely moisturizer अप्लाई करनी चाहिए क्योंकि एवरी सीजन में आपको हाइड्रेशन की जरूरत होती है, आपकी स्किन को हाइड्रेशन की जरूरत होती है. जैसे हम पानी थ्रू आउट द ईयर पीते हैं वैसे हमको मॉइस्चराइजिंग भी करना चाहिए. So for that, first I'll apply a moisturizer. So for that I'm using this one. This is called the Dot & Key 72 Hour Hydrating Gel. So it's a gel based moisturizer. Guys, समर सीजन में we need to apply gel based moisturizer and वो आपकी स्किन को ज़्यादा हाइड्रेशन भी देगी and आपकी स्किन को वो ऑयली भी नहीं बनाएगी. So you can definitely try this moisturizer. It's a really good moisturizer. Currently I'm using this one. I'm in love with this one. Look at the consistency, guys. This is how the gel looks like. It's a pure gel. You guys can see, and let me show you the consistency first. So it's a pure gel based moisturizer, and in this season we particularly need this kind of moisturizer for that, you know, mattifying look. So I'm gonna apply this one. You just need a tiny amount of it and just apply all over your skin. So let me give you a brief information about this moisturizer. So this is a gel based moisturizer, beautiful for summer season. You can definitely try this moisturizer. All skin people can use this moisturizer. Price of this moisturizer is $745. I'll definitely give the link of all the product that I'm gonna use in this particular video. I'll link it down in the description box. So if you want to buy any of the product, you can definitely check out my link. Next step, we will apply a sunscreen. So this is the sunscreen that I'm gonna use. So this is called the Requel Ultra Matte Dry Touch Sunscreen Gel, and it's a gel based sunscreen. I'm in love with this sunscreen. Let me show you the texture and I'll use it directly. It was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Guys, the texture is really like velvet, एंड ये आपको वेलवेट मैट फिनिश देगा आपकी स्किन पे. बहुत अच्छा सनस्क्रीन है, आपकी स्किन पे वाइट कास्ट भी नहीं छोड़ेगा एंड आपकी स्किन को भी मॉइस्चराइज करेगा, और उसके साथ साथ ये सनस्क्रीन आपको ऑयली नहीं दिखाएगा. तो दैट्स व्हाट आई रियली लाइक अबाउट दिस सनस्क्रीन. Guys, our prepping is done. Now we will go to our makeup. So first step, we will not gonna apply any sort of foundation. We will not gonna apply any sort of BB cream because I particularly don't like to apply all of those products in my day-to-day basis. And also मैं ज़्यादा foundation use ही नहीं करती हूँ, तो मेरे makeup में आपको बहुत ज़्यादा no makeup kind of a look दिखेगा. So that's what I like, and I used to suggest those makeup to all the people who follow me, and particularly in the summer season we cannot use those foundation because आपको बहुत ज़्यादा sweating का problem हो सकता है, and we will not gonna feel comfortable by using foundation in this particular season in a regular basis. So if you're someone who like to use foundation, you can definitely go with that. I'm just gonna suggest to apply a concealer under those problematic area which you have on your skin. Guys, for my concealer I'll apply my most favorite concealer, so that is this one. So this is is called the Pack Take Cover Concealer, and I'm in the shade Stark Nude. This is my current favorite concealer and I'm in love with this concealer for a really long time, क्योंकि बहुत सारे वीडियोस में आपको मैंने ये कंसीलर दिखाया हुआ है, क्योंकि मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है ये यूज़ करना. सो मैं इसको ही यूज़ करूँगी अपने अंडर आई सर्कल्स पे एंड थोड़ा बहुत ये जो स्पॉट्स है ना, कैन यू गाइस सी, आई हैड अ ह्यूज पिंपल राइट हियर एंड ये बहुत ज़िद्दी था, अभी तक भी नहीं गया है उसका जो जो spot hai. So I'll apply some concealer over here and on my dark circles, and yeah, that's all. So I'll just gonna apply this concealer. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all night. Guys, don't apply concealer all over your face. Apply concealer on those parts which actually need. So then I like to blend this concealer with the help of this blender, beauty blender. Do you remember, can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember, can I take you there? In the next step, we need to apply a compact powder, a really good compact setting powder. So that's what we really need in the summer season, because आप अगर ऐसे जाएंगे ना अपने मेकअप के साथ, you know, not applying any compact powder, then आपका सारा मेकअप 2-3 मिनट में ऐसा हो जाएगा. So you don't want that. So for that I'm gonna use a compact powder. So this is what I like to use. So this one is the Maybelline Fit Me compact powder and I'm in the shade Warm Nude. I particularly love this compact powder. This is like my फेवरेट कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर, वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट, बिकॉज ये आपको मैट लुक देगा एंड आपके अच्छे से सेट करेगा आपके फेस को, एंड स्वेट प्रूफ भी थोड़ा सा है, क्योंकि यू नो इसके साथ में अराउंड 3 to 4 आवर तो चल सकता है ये आपका, एंड आई थिंक उससे ज़्यादा भी चल सकता है. वो डिपेंड करता है कि आपको कितना ज़्यादा ऑयलिंग और स्वेटिंग का प्रॉब्लम है. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई लाइक अबाउट दिस कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर. सो आई एम गोना गो विद दिस पर्टिकुलर वन एंड ये बहुत अफोर्डेबल है. सो आप डेफिनेटली इसको ट्राई कर सकते हैं. So guys, in the next step I'll just gonna groom my eyebrows a little, because that is really important for me, and if you are lucky enough, if you have that bushy eyebrows, then you will save your 2 to 3 minutes at least. But I'll do my eyebrows first. Guys, for my eyebrows I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fashion Brow Pencil and I'm in the shade Dark Brown. They keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind? I've been searching for this all my life. Guys, my eyebrows are done. You can clearly see my skin and my base. That's looking so dewy, and yet I have no oil. So this is what we need in a summer season. Guys, in the next step we will apply some blush. So for that I'm gonna use this palette by Swiss Beauty. Okay, this is the Swiss Beauty Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette and I'm in the shade 06. Guys, I'll take this particular shade and then I'll apply it as my blush. बिकॉज मुझे ना कोरलिस शेड बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है एंड समर सीजन में वो आपके स्किन को कम्प्लीमेंट करता है. तो यू कैन डेफिनेटली यूज एनी शेड दैट सूट्स योर स्किन टोन, बट आई लाइक टू यूज कोरलिस शेड. These days I'm into blush kind of a look. I don't like to apply highlighter because अगर आपका स्किन केयर अच्छा होता है ना तो आपका स्किन वैसे ही ग्लो करता है. You don't need to apply any extra product for that. So I just particularly love this blush kind of a look these days. Next we will do something for our eyes. So for that I'm gonna use this kajal pencil. So this is called the City Island Eye Pencil and it's smudge proof, water resistance and one stroke application. It says, and yeah, that's why I'm gonna apply this particular one today because I'm thinking a different kind of a eye look that will be simple and yet you can use it everywhere, I can say. So I'm gonna use this one first. For the first time, been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Guys, I will smudge it right now and then I'll create a wing out of it. Sparks my life. Can I take you there? Can you guys see the soft effect this is giving? Guys, next I'll do the same with my other eye. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. guys, I'm really happy with the way my eyes are looking right now. This is all for my eye look. This is so simple and you will save a lot of your time also, and you will have that not so basic look. So yeah, this is what for my eyes. Guys, next I'll use this palette. This is called the Makeup Revolution Reloaded palette, and I'm in the shade Vitality. So this is what the palette looks like, and I'll use the shade highlighting shade of this and apply this in my inner corners. I'll just gonna pick this particular shade and then I'll apply this in my inner corners. Then to complete my eye look, I'm going to use this mascara. This is the Maybelline Hyper Curl Volumizing Mascara, and this is in the waterproof variant. Then for my lipstick, I'm gonna use this one. So this is called the NYB Shakti Matte Liquid Lipstick, and I'm in the shade Sassy Samba 7. So I'm just gonna use this one on my lips. I particularly love this shade, and this will go with this makeup look also. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes. So this is what for my look, and I love this one. You can go with this look anywhere. See how glowy and dewy my skin is looking, and yet I haven't applied any sort of foundation in this look. If you guys will like this one, then definitely comment down below. I love to read your comments. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, then do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, definitely subscribe my channel. That would mean a lot to me. I will see you in my next video. Bye.